how to change FPL team name. So if you want to change your FPL team name, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your browser and search for FPL, which is Fantasy Premier League. Now go with FPL.com, which will take you to the official website. Go with the points section. Go and log into your account, tap on login. And once you've logged into your account, if you scroll all the way down, you will have the admin section. You need to tap on admin. Once you tap on admin, you will have team details option. You will have all the details about your team, including your team name, team kit, and your favorite club. Now on the team name, tap on the team details and then remove the name that you have previously. Then type in your new team name. The team name can only contain maximum 20 letters. Make sure that your team name is appropriate and does not contain any offensive words. Once you do this, you can scroll down and then tap on update details option. After that, your FPL team name will be successfully changed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.